Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to enable the always on display on iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's have a look. The newly launched iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max come with some advanced features including an always on display. If you would like to turn on always on display on iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, first open the settings app, scroll down little bit and tap display and brightness. Again scroll down and you will see always on option. To turn on always on display, just toggle on the switch next to always on. That's it, always on display turned on. Now go back to settings and close settings app. Your iPhone will now turn on when you press the side button and remain turned on until you press it again or pick up the device. So these are the steps to turn on or enable always on display on iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.